coach? At anong mga naging pakiramdam mo just coaching again tonight?
Actually, last night we have a Christmas party with San Miguel Corporation, lahat ng employee last night, and then I was invited. Usually all the players lang yan but I was invited, and all of a sudden I was called up to go upstairs with the management, and that's the time na they told me na they asked me if I can coach. Sabi ko, boss, I'm healthy. I'm healthy and never get sick since I took over San Miguel ganyan. But okay, ganyan we're losing coach. Sabi niya, yes boss, ganyan. And okay, you will be back with the help of Coach Al, Francis Alchua, and then yun, nabihan nila ako tomorrow, which is today. So, hindi ako nakatulog. With that, because there's a lot of pressure. Because in the PBA, you cannot take lightly yung mga teams lahat competitive you can never know what will happen. Just like itong Terra Firma, they played last against Meralco, so they lost only in last possession. That's why I'm so happy to be back and win my first win after a long years of on the sideline.
Coach, napansin din sa inyong starters, Junmar, si Marco, si Chris, and of course Junmar just being the focal point of your offense, yung Leo Austria touch, kumbaga. But how different would you say your coaching approach was na nakita talaga namin ngayong gabi?
Well, I think for 2 years I'm not coaching but I watched them play before and then these three guys Junmar, Marcio, ganyan, and this is the focal points of our offense since nung few years back and then I want the new players to know what really happened in our team before. We want to build up a winning attitude in players. It's not equal opportunity for the player. So our goal is to win. So maybe the rotation will be not that much, because I would like to define the role of the player. If you're playing well, just like today, and the third quarter or fourth quarter, so the second group was inside, the Takahilig, Truliano, and then Wami. So that's the time lumamang kami. And then that's nag-start yan from the core na ando si Lasiter, si Chris Ross, saka si Junmar. And Junmar alam naman niya kung anong game plan ko
Thank you so much, Coach Leo. Junmar, congratulations. Guys, how about you, Sir Fidel, that you actually just joined the top 5 all-time most rebounds club with 6,152 rebounds. Alam naman ng lahat ng mga pinagdaanan nyo ni Coach Leo, pero gaano kaiba ulit para sa iyo at paano naapektuhan ng iyong laro is having Coach Leo ulit as head coach?
Una-una, nagpapasalamat kami na walang na-injury sa game na to. So, ayan, masaya kami na nakabalik si Pops. Sobrang tagal na rin yan. Pero, andyan lang naman siya lagi sa team Hindi naman siya, actually nawala yan. Andyan lang naman siya lagi sa team. So, ayan, masaya kami na nakabalik siya. Tapos nakuha namin yung panalo. So, sana tuloy-tuloy na. So, ayan.
You're now opening the floor to the media.
Coach, paano
Thank
mo
you.
naging dito, yung game plan mo, nagbago ba from yun nga kasi kahapon mo lang nalaman na paano yung naging preparation mo for this game?
Yeah, actually, I don't have a preparation, but I'm helping the team to prepare for the game. And then for myself, I did not prepare what I want to do. Some pattern of a timeouts, doon ko lang ginagawa. Dahil it's really hard, even though yung kalaban mo sinasabi natin ay kaya niyong talunin. As I said na no team is easy to beat right now. Ganyan. But because of I'm involved in the running the practice with Coach George and then I keep on watching the game UAP and then NBA, all the games in the PBA, and during the last World Cup, almost all the games I was there watching the game, and probably could help a lot, no, dito sa comeback ko. But I'm not in a hurry because I don't know what will happen next, ano. And then I'm so happy with the players, ano, dahil it seems na very smooth in transition. And then the players, but I understand the players dahil every players want to have a playing time, and it will not happen, because there's no equal opportunity for me in basketball. If you're good, you have a long playing time, yun ang natin. But if you want to have a long playing time, so you have to earn your slot. And you have to beat your, it's a healthy competition. It's not a rivalry. And I'm so happy tonight because we're able to assist 24 times. Just unlike the other game, we only have a 12, and we have a lot of offensive rebound and second chance points. And that means the players really wanted to win, especially after a setback namin sa last 2 games namin.
Kausap ba kayo ni George Gallen after, or after naman yung Dodgers stage?
Yeah, I talked to him, and then last night I did not call him because medyo hindi ko pa alam medyo nabigla din ako. I'm so happy na do as a consultant and helping the team, less pressure ganyan And most of the time I'm with him, and then planning what's good for the team. And then this morning I called him, and very casual usapan namin, and then he told me na what you did to me. Sabi niya kung anong ginawa ko, na keep on supporting, ganyan, ganun din ang gagawin niya.
So, bali, hindi ka pa nakapag-practice with them?
Yeah, but every practice I was involved. Involved ako sa lahat ng ginagawa, But siyempre, every coach naman have a different philosophy. And siguro, slowly, magkakaroon ng mga bagong game plan and then mga pattern because it's hard to coach if you don't know the plays.
Coach, na-mention mo nga na-sharp pa rin naman yung sa basketball mo dahil nga nanonood ka ng games. But when it comes to yung pag-strategize and yung pag-draw ng play, hindi ka ba parang kinalawang na pinaramdaman pa kung kalawang ka konti?
A little bit rusty dahil because I'm trying to figure out what's really happening. Medyo hindi pa nagsising in ganyan ganito ba, ganito. And unlike before na every move sa power opponent, I know what to do it. But today, I just allow them to run what they want, And some instances na off a timeout, doon lang ako nagde-design ng play for them to know na I have something na especially yung game plan namin na kailangan namin in the future.
Coach, may marching order ba sa'yo si Coach RSA, Coach Al na yung una mong goal na pinapa-achieve sa'yo ng management?
Yeah, may marching order o wala. The expectation is really high for San Miguel. That's why we're always pressured to win. And then even though na hindi nila sinasabing you have to win, pero a lot of people are not used to losing when it comes to San Miguel. And as far as my knowledge is concerned, we never lost 2 or 3 times in a row. Ganyan. And happy tonight, nalo kami. Ganyan, And alam naman nila yun Dahil pagka sinabi mo San Miguel, it's a powerhouse. Actually, we're not a powerhouse only today. And there's a lot of teams. Nag-step up lahat yung kanilang line-up, nag-build up, and then everybody's, it's a matter of time siguro for them to know. They, right now, they know how to, they want to develop a winning attitude. Dahil that's the most important thing in the team. Even though if you have a lot of talented players, if you don't know how to win collectively, it's very hard. And that's what I developed to our team before. That's why there's a good result in our team. And then the players knew it. What's really happening in our team before.
Coach, yung 4 conferences na nawala or nasa sidelines ka na, may napansin ka ba ng bago sa PBA kumpara nung nagpo-coach ka before?
Yeah, because of the pandemic, marami na bago eh. And then, siyempre, tayo nagdi-depend tayo sa crowd eh. But because of the pandemic, apektado eh. And then, dumami ang sasakyan, parang parking lot na bawat kalsada ngayon, ang hirap eh. But I'm telling you, na there's a lot of people watching on TV, live streaming, and because of the technology siguro affected yung pero a lot of basketball enthusiasts still watching the PBA. And if you will go to the province, especially on the out of town game, there's so many people watching. Okay? And you see naman yung Gilas pagka naglaro. So, ang dami tao eh. Talagang we're crazy nation when it comes to basketball eh. And makita mo naman yung World Cup eh. Bawat game, lalabas ang lahat ng mga tao, tapos may papalit na laro, nandun lahat ng tao. So, it's a matter of time siguro for them to have especially today, na nagiging competitive bawat team eh. So, it's a matter of time siguro.
Okay, we're all
Great,
good.
Okay, thank you.
Siyempre, Mama, Papa, Jay, Cham Cham, Kendra Vance, Buliseo, Kraken and Jay Car Wash, Kraken Apparel, House of Kraken, Trits and Needles, Where Daily, Stars Gaming. Siyempre, sa mga amigoys, House Gang, sa mga taga-Pinamungahan, Attorney Stenson, family, of course, and then dahil sa mga taga-Cebu. So, ayun, God bless sa ating lahat, and then happy Alipsatas, happy holidays sa ating lahat. Sana healthy tayo, at yung mga family natin pagdating ng holidays, at sana kompleto yung kamay natin pagdating ng bagong taon.
Thank you, Jude.
Thank you.